It's the fact that I just be looking like any kind of way. Wow. Welcome back to my channel. Today's journey is going to be on our faux lock tutorial. I already parted my hair into 4 sections. That's what you just seen in the clip before. Flowed out a little bit so I can make sure that the ends were giving what they were supposed to give. You know what I'm saying? Easier to tuck. Here you see I'm just cleaning up my parts with some Shiner Jam gel or whatever you want to call it, and my edge lay from the Love Letter collection. Let's take a quick moment and just take a moment to appreciate the hair growth that's taking place here. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna start out with plaits. Okay, this is the cheat code, everybody. Get your pens, your papers, your pads, your pamphlet, your notes, whatever it is that you use, get it out. All right, you're gonna take that there hook right there, drop through that thing like that, drop down and get an angle on. First of all, let's open it up. Yeah, couldn't do nothing with that at first. We're gonna hook it on that bit like that. See that right there? Bloop, pull it through. Kobe, God bless. So we got that. Get it right. There we go. Okay, we're gonna go towards the end. Pull that good old thing through the loop-de-loop, swoop-de-swoop, and bloop. There you go. See how I do that right there? Yeah, I made sure to plait my hair nice and secure, but a little loose at the top, if you catch my drift, because there was no point in putting myself in pain or having unnecessary tension that would kind of defeat the purpose of protect style, because now I'm causing damage in other areas. So, again, going through with the crochet needle, letting it go all the way through the hole. Now, I started to clip this part out, but I know I, for one, get so frustrated when I'm watching tutorials, and they just doing it all perfect. Meanwhile, I'm over here struggling. So, I literally left this in just to let y'all know, like, it's okay. All right? You gonna mess up. We gonna have some hiccups, but it's okay. Okay? We gonna pull it together, and we're gonna keep it trucking. You know why? That's what winners do, and we are winners, okay? We're gonna conquer this hairstyle together. So there's that. Got that thing through that bitch like that. Boop. It was more of like an assist. I couldn't quite say Kobe on that one. It was like a me. That was a me. So anywho, show you guys a few more crochets, and then we'll go ahead and get into the tea as far as how we're going to do the wrapping process for the faux lock look. You could be my baby when you're making my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Alright, now it's time to get funky. To the right. Okay, so here you will see I'm just taking out the crochets. This is the passion twist hair I'm taking out. Literally just gonna go up to the loop and drop that bitch like that. Alright, rip it again. Rip it. Yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm taking 2 strands or 2 crochets and making them into 2 strands, I guess to say. Voila, there we go. Alright, so now we're just gonna make sure to grab my hair as well as the faux lock crochet, and we're gonna twist the passion twist crochet hair around both the faux lock crochet and my hair. Trying to make sure I don't just say crochet because I'm working with 2 different types of crochet hair, so there's that. But we're just literally wrapping it around, making sure that I don't have any of my hair peeking through. I kind of used my own cheat code of using my index finger and thumb just to kind of keep up with where I was going, where I was, what progress I made, so on and so forth. As I stated before, I did braid my hair a bit looser at the top, so I don't know why my skin is pulling like that, making it look like it's really tight and like I'm not going to have any edges once I'm done, but I promise it's been 2 weeks, my edges are still intact. So far, so good. We're making it. Anywho, but there's that piece of information, just in case, anyone was wondering. But I did wait a few days and kind of go back and brush a bit of my edges out, just because I wanted a little bit of baby hair to play around with. Okay, preteen hair, whatever. Okay, so as I got to the bottom, I did kind of want to review the options that you have. Of course, you want to rub your hands together like Birdman and all that. Make it stay. Got to be glue ended up being my security, I could say, of choice. I could kind of just spray it, rub it in, keep it going. I did want to play around with this white bond glue, and my face kind of tells you everything about that experience. So there's that. I don't know what type of sealant you may want to use for yours, but all I'm gonna say is the guys to be been giving it up, period. So that's my vote. All right, so before y'all grab me, hear me out. I finished my hair like 4 something the next morning or whatever, and was drunk within the next few hours. So here's our end result. It is everything I wanted and more. Hopefully, if you guys try this method, you will like it. You'll find it super easy. Nevertheless, thanks for tuning in, and be back.